Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. As always, super excited to be with you again today. We are going to be continuing to talk about multiplication, which you've been doing great with, and we are going to talk about division this week. Okay, so very exciting. So far you've been dealing with sets, right? So equal groups of objects. You've been dealing with arrays. So equal rows, right? Equal number of objects in a row. And today we're going to look at number lines. So equal jumps or hops, if you will, on a number line. So let's take a look. I'm going to move myself over here. And we have this sort of funny word problem. It says, Freddy the frog jumps 3 feet every time he jumps. That's a pretty good jump, Freddy. If Freddy jumps 5 times, how many feet did he travel? Okay, so again, our equal groups, right, so to speak, are going to be our jumps. So he's going to jump 5 times. So let's get Freddy moving here. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to start at 0 because he hasn't jumped at all, and I'm going to have him jump 3 feet. Okay, so he just jumped 3 feet. So that's 1 jump, but he needs to jump 5 times. So let's do it 5 times. Anybody have any idea of where he's going to land? That's 2 jumps. So 2 jumps of 3 is 6. 3 jumps of 3 is 9, which is another way of saying 3 times 3 is 9, right? But we haven't done 5 times yet. So we've done it 3 times, 4 times, so now he's at the 12, he's gone 12 feet. So every time he jumps, he goes 3 feet. 3, 6, 9, 12. So he's jumped 4 times. So 3 jumps of 4 is 12. 1 more jump, and he lands on 15. Oops, my pen is going wacky. So you can see, let me just erase that so you can see the 5 there. You can see that when he jumped 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, he landed on 15. So 5 jumps of 3 feet, okay, gives you 15. All right, so we could write that as 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, so please take out your math packet if you haven't already, and a pencil. All right, it should look like this. Let me get my marker and read the word problem. It's the same word problem we just did. All right, so here's what it's going to look like though on this, because you'll notice there's no numbers on this number line, right? So we call this an open number line. We can do whatever we want with it. So I'll show you how to do it, and then you're going to try one. So if this is 0, every time he jumps, it's 3. So I'm going to jump once. So I know that's 3 feet. Another time, that's 6. Another time, that's 9. Okay, you want to copy this along with me, or you can wait to the end, and you can pause it, and then you can copy it, okay? And then so that's 3 jumps. 4 jumps is 12, and 5 jumps is 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps of 3, okay, which gives us 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So our number sentence, right, would be that there were 5 jumps of 3 feet is the same as 15. Because our question is, how many feet did he travel? Well, he started at 0 and he made it all the way to 15 feet. All right, so our multiplication sentence is 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay? All right, so you can watch that. You can pause it and fill that in. And then when you're ready, I would like you to turn the page and you're going to try this one. So I'm going to read it to you. All right? It says, Frankie the frog jumps 4 feet every time he jumps. So he can jump even further than Freddie. If Frankie jumps 3 times, how many feet did he travel? So he's going to make 3 jumps, okay? 1, 2, 3. And each time it's going to be 4 feet. So you have to do the same thing that I did and figure out where is he going to land, how far is he going to travel, and then fill in your number sentence, just like I did, okay? All right, so you can do that now. You can pause the video right now and do that, or wait till the end of the video and then just go back and finish up the whole thing, because this is your work for today. So in your math bag that you were given by your teacher, you should have a 10-sided dice that looks like this. It might be a different color, right? It goes from 1 to 10, okay? By the way, the 6 and the 9, the way you tell them apart, you see the dot right there? You put the dot at the bottom and it tells you that's a 6. And then the other one is a 9 because the dot is at the bottom and it's a 9, okay? So here's how this works. The directions say, roll the die. This is one die. If there's more than one, it's dice. The number rolled will be the number of jumps made on the number line. For each, write the multiplication equation that the jumps on the number line represent. If the product is greater than 24, roll again, because we only have to 24 on this. So I'm going to do the first one, then you're going to try it, okay? So here I go. I'm going to roll. Okay, so I got an 8. So I'm going to put down 8. It says show, and you should, you can copy this one down, or you can wait till the next, you can do your own. It says show 8, yeah, just don't do this one, just, I'm just showing you how to do it, okay? It says show 8 jumps of 4 on the number line. Okay, so think about this, 8 jumps of 4. So this is like Frankie, right? He jumps 4 feet. So here's 1 jump of 4. Here's 2 jumps of 4, so that's 8. Another jump of 4 gets me to 12. Oh, guess what? Guess what? This isn't going to work. It's going to get us past 24. You can already tell, right? All right, let me roll it again. Can't do 8. Silly much of me. All right, 2. Let's try and get like something a little bit higher. Not 9, not 2, not 1, not 8, not 7. Okay, I'm just going to make it what I want. I'm going to make it 4. Okay, 4. So you can see I'm making a mistake, right? Okay, so I'm going to do 4 jumps of 4. So I've already done 3. I'm going to do 1 more. Whoop. Okay. All right, so now I'm at 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 4 feet. So my multiplication equation would be 4 times 4 equals what? 16. Okay, 4 jumps of 4 feet is equal to 16 feet. All right, so you would do that for this problem as well. Okay, now you'll notice down here it's an open number line. So there's, and then on the next page they're all open number lines, which is kind of nice because then you don't run out of room like I just did. So I'm going to do one for you. Don't do this one. Do it yourself, but I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so number 3, I'm going to roll it. I got a 1. I'm going to do something a little bit more exciting. 5. All right, perfect. So it says show 5 jumps of 7 on the number line. So I would start at 0, and I'm going to jump 7. Okay, 7. And then, but I have to do it 5 times. So I'm going to jump again. Now I'm at 14, because I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. I'm going to jump again. Now I'm at 21, because I know that 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. Okay, so we have 3 jumps so far. We need 2 more jumps. Another jump gets me to 20. What's 21 plus 7? Anyone? Anyone? 28. Good. And my last jump, 28 plus 7, is going to get me to 35. So I have 5 jumps of 7. So 5 times 7 equals 35. Because there it is right there. Okay? So that's how you do it. Your number might be different. You might be a 3 or a 2 or a 1 or a 6 or a 7 or an 8. But you have the open number line so you can fit it in. Okay? All right, and then on the next page, it's the same idea. You show however many jumps of 5. So if I rolled this, and I got 2, that would be 2 jumps, 2 hops of 5. Okay? So that's how it works. If you need to come back and watch the video, please do that. So you are multiplying on the number line. Awesome job. And great, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.